you've been looking for a hydrating black soap, I'm going to be showing you how to make this cucumber hydrating body wash. This body wash will help to hydrate your skin, plump your skin, and make your skin beautiful. Let's get started. The first ingredient you need is cucumber. So make sure it's nicely washed, and I'm going to be grating the cucumber. So the cucumber is going to be the liquid we are going to use for this body wash. Cucumber is packed with amazing skin benefit. It has a soothing effect on the skin. It hydrates the skin. It also plump the skin. So you're going to grate the cucumber like so. You can blend the cucumber, but make sure that any form of water doesn't go into it. So after grating, this is what we have. We are going to be transferring it into a cheesecloth or a sieve, okay? And we are going to strain to get the cucumber juice. This is a black soap body wash you want to try, okay? If you like black soap and you want something very hydrating, okay, this is a black soap body wash you want to try. It will help to soothe your skin. It will not dry out your skin. So after straining, the next ingredient we have is black soap. This is 100 grams of raw African black soap, 200 ml of cucumber juice, 1 teaspoon of liquorized fruit powder, 1 teaspoon of moringa powder, 1 teaspoon of calendula extract powder, 1 teaspoon of orange peel powder, 1 teaspoon of glycerin, vegetable glycerin, 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil, half tablespoon melted shea butter, 1 teaspoon honey. Then you blend. You're going to keep blending until everything is well blended. So guys, this soap is what you want to try. It will brighten out your skin. It will hydrate your skin. It will exfoliate your skin. It will not get rid of the natural oils on your skin. It will maintain your natural oil, okay, on the skin, and it will make your skin pop. So if you love black soap, okay, you can also make your black soap into a body wash like I'm making it. And as you guys can see, the major liquid we used here was cucumber juice, okay? Cucumber juice is a base water, okay? So you keep mixing. As you mix, at a point it will thicken. So another way to make the soap dissolve is to also soak the soap. You can soak the soap for about 24 hours, okay? The next day everything will just dissolve. So I just wanted to show you that, okay, you can still make it this way to also, dissolve your soap. So I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Okay, I'm going to mix. So turmeric powder helps to brighten out the skin. It contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial property. I'm going to be adding preservative to prolong the shelf life of this body wash. So I added half teaspoon preservative, okay? I used Yamal Plus preservative, okay? Of course, we need to prolong the shelf life. Then I'm going to be adding some drops of essential oil. You can use any essential oil of choice. So the essential oil will help to add a nice smell to the soap, okay, though it's optional. So guys, we are done with making our body wash. As you guys can see, our body wash is so hydrating. It's also exfoliating, so it will help to pop your skin, brighten out your skin, smoothing out your skin. It will help to repair your skin. So we're going to be transferring it into a jug like so to help us, pour it into a bottle. So guys, are you seeing how our soap is looking like? This is the soap you want to try out if you want a popping skin. You're going to get a clean sterilized container like so. I'm going to be pouring in the cucumber black soap body wash into the container. Okay, so guys, are you trying this out? I want you to try it out. Okay, your skin will definitely thank you. So if you're looking for a homemade natural soap that will help to brighten out your skin, an effective soap at that will help to brighten out your skin, smoothing out your skin, exfoliate your skin, make you achieve a beautiful skin, this is a soap recipe you want to try out. So our soap is ready. We're going to be testing our soap. Our soap is not just hydrating, it also foams, okay? It also foams. So you're going to use it to have your bath, Okay, you can also use it on your face, especially for those that have acne prone skin. It will also help if you have acne prone skin. Okay, so guys, our soap is ready. I want you to try this out and you're definitely going to love it. After using it to wash your skin, it's going to leave your skin glowing and non-stripping. Like, it's going to help to make your skin pop. Thank you so much and see you guys in my next one. Bye.